Hey guys, hi and welcome back. Here I have the forms. Okay, so here I click on the overview. In here I will scroll down. Here I have the first contact form. Okay, you know, if I type the contact form in the index.html, it will take too long, so I will copy and paste. So here, let's create a new folder of forms. A new file, index.html. The first thing we need is to get the starter. Okay, so v5 get bootstrap.com documents. Here when I scroll down, here I have the starter. Copy, paste here. Okay, and here I have to copy this contact form. Okay, let's open this file into the Google Chrome and see what we have. Okay, the forms into the Google Chrome. Here I got this. Of course, I can make it that inside a div of a container. Okay. So here I have. Okay, where is it? I will cancel this and this. Okay. Form text. If you want to add a password, I can make this. So I can copy this part. Your password must be 8 to 20 characters. Okay, where is the password? Here. Okay, so let's go back and see what we have. Sorry, we cancel the file. Okay, so here I have your password must be 8 to 20 characters long, contains letter and numbers, and must not contain spaces, special characters, or emoji. Check me out, this is check. Okay, when I click submit, it takes me nowhere because it is for back-end web development. Okay, here I will cancel this. Okay, let's scroll down and see what we have again. I can make it like this, span form text. Okay, I will copy this part. Yes, this is another one. And when I copy it and paste it for here. Okay, when I reload, here I have this here instead of here. Okay, because here he added the G3 for the spacing and the call auto, which is a column but auto responsive. It is responsive according to the content inside it. The disabled form, I don't need it because you know this is not good, so I don't need it. It will not be very good for any company. Okay, now we are done with the overview. Do you prefer moving to the form control? We'll be done with the form control in this video. Okay, so here the form control. When I copy this, here I have the example email address and example text area. We can paste this here, and here I have this. I can replace the placeholder here. So here I have name at. I can make this into blah blah blah. So here I have blah blah blah. In example text area, I can make the row into just one row. So here it's smaller. I can make it into 10. It will be bigger. Anything I want. And this to be expanded, I can expand, or I can make it big or small to the one row or any row I want from here. Okay, now I have the sizing. I can size anything I want from here. The form control, this is the default, or I can make it here large. Form control large. Okay, so here we have added this into the input. Okay, when I reload the page, here I have this large, or I can make it default or small. Let's make the small here small. Okay, when I reload it, here I have the small one. Great. After this part I have the read only, the read input only. I can copy this and paste it here. Below. Here I have the read only. You cannot edit anything inside it. When I type blah blah blah, nothing happens. Okay, so here we go again. Okay, this one I can copy, which is email. Just it is something like the table. So here I cannot edit anything inside here, right? Okay, I can okay, add a space, paste it here. Let's see what we have. I have this now. I cannot edit anything inside. And this one, the example of the password. When I make it like this, here I got this. Great. Here I have the form of row, this spacing, and the call auto. It is all about the column auto, you know, because it is according to the content which is written inside it. Here, there's something new in the Bootstrap 5, which is color picker. When I click here, I can take any color I want. So I can copy this part and paste it here. Okay, now I can to make any color I want. You know, this is a very good resource if you want to get the RGB or the HSL or the hex. Okay, now I have what the data list, which is the last thing for our video. Okay, here I have New York, Seattle, Los Angeles, and Chicago. When I reload, let's search for here. When I type here, when I make it active, here I have San Francisco, New York City, Los Angeles. When I click here, it is typed here, but when I hit enter, nothing happens because it is for the back-end web developers. Okay, now we are done with all of that. In the next video, we will move to the select area and check. Okay, so good luck and have fun.